can I afford this? Well, how can I make $1.50 a day? Well, I don't know. I could show you how to make, a couple $1,000s a month. $1.50 a day. I don't know how much that is. A couple $100 or something like that. It's less than $600 or something like that a month, right? So imagine if all you did was write one sale, Bridget, and you made $1,000 on that sale. That's $1,000. So not only do you eat better food, and most people, do they save $500 a month? In your experience, do most people save $500 a month? Absolutely not. They do not. I don't have time. How many of you used that one before, right? Y'all, I mean, look, we've all said at some point in our life, I don't have time. I don't think, right? So now, the fact though is 26% of people think that they don't have enough time to make a lifestyle change. You have the same number of hours in a day as everybody else in the world, don't you? Right? Steve Jobs, Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, I don't know why I keep talking about dead people, but I mean, Elon Musk, like whatever, right? So, but all these people, they have the same amount of hours, right? They get up in the morning and they're like, oh man, I got 24 hours a day. I want to be successful. You have 24 hours. You have 20. The richest man in the world, he has 24 hours. That's it. And so why is it that he succeeds or she succeeds, why other people don't? Okay? Because they say, because most people say, well, I don't have enough time. Okay? So now, this is the difference, right? Working out is a must, and for others, it's a should, right? So you look at people that have a lot of, physical health. It's because they must exercise versus they should. Like everybody says, I should exercise. Man, I should exercise. Man, I should eat better, right? Everybody says, I should eat better food and I should exercise. I should. Right? Get rid of the shoulds and make it a must. I must eat right. I must prospect. I must talk to more people. I must work out, right? I must do these things that I'm supposed to. I must get licensed quickly. Get through my classes. Did you get through your classes? Give me a thumbs up. Almost. Okay, almost. All right. So and so, but did you schedule your test?
It's for Thursday.
It's for Thursday. All right. All right. Give it up to Tony. So all right. So everything. So this has to do with must. So no more of the I don't have time. Okay, no more I don't have the time, right? Don't say that anymore. That is such a weak story when we all have the same hours. So you get up in the morning. So what do you do? So what's the solution? The solution is you write down everything that you're going to do the next day. You write down the night before. So before you go to bed, you should have a habit. Before you go to bed, you write down a list. Man, I'm going to do this, and you have that list in front of you every single day, and you just check it off. Done, 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 done. Like what I do is I just block the hours in my calendar, in my Apple calendar. And then so I know every single hour of the day what I'm supposed to do. So I know that I'm going to accomplish a lot tomorrow. So if I have blocked out, right, like if you're going to, say you're going to go prospecting, well, block it out for 3 hours and don't do anything. So you got to be disciplined though, right? Don't do anything but prospect in those 3 hours. I'm going to study for Thursday, right? I'm going to study for 1 hour each day till Thursday. But you put it in your calendar as an actual appointment. So nobody can get in the way. Nobody can book something with you. I mean, somebody told me the other day, like, I had to help my sister move her stuff at her house or something like that. You know what I mean? It's like, what do you mean? This is your business. It's blocked out on my calendar every Saturday morning, every Monday night, every time I got an appointment, it's blocked in my calendar. So guess what? If somebody says, Mercy, I need you to help me move my stuff on Saturday morning. I'm sorry, Mercy. I love you. I care about you. I'm so sorry, but I got to work. I got a business I got to build. I'm sorry. I love you, sister, but I can't help you. And that's it. So that's when you become a big boy or girl. That's when you become like a real business owner, where you're an entrepreneur. This is your business. Most people say, I'm an entrepreneur. No, you're not. You ain't an entrepreneur unless you're making money, you're getting results, you're building a business, right? And until you're getting results, you're not an entrepreneur. So be very careful of the should and must, right? So it's too expensive. People say, wow, it's too expensive. 17% of people think it's too expensive to make a change towards healthier lifestyle. But when we really look at the facts, the cost of eating a healthy diet versus an unhealthy diet is about $1.50 more per day. That's the difference. $1.50 a day. The spare change in your pocket can mean the difference of your life. I mean, imagine like this. This is literally the crap stories that we're telling ourselves every day. Why? Why are we doing that to ourselves? Why are we making excuses when that excuse should not live? It should not be in our mind. Well, the answer is it's in our subconscious mind. So we were bred like this. We were raised like this, right? There's certain things that we just believe. Now, think about it for a second. Most of us didn't come from wealthy parents, other than Alfred's kid, all right? So, most of us didn't have rich parents, okay? Like parents with a lot of money, right? So, most of us didn't come from wealth, okay? So, check this out, right? So, what do you think our parents used to say all the time? Can't afford it, it's too expensive. Did your mom ever say that? I can't afford it. Mercy, thank you. I'm so happy that you want those shoes, but I'm sorry, mija, it can't happen. Sorry, it's not gonna happen today. We'll maybe for Christmas or something like that. Maybe we could do something maybe for Christmas, but it can't happen. It's only July. Imagine, right? We've been told that. How many of you guys have been told that ever before? Anybody? Right? Yeah. Except these two kids, Max and you. No, but think about it, right? So you've been raised this way. So then what do you think about? You think about money all the time and how expensive things are and how, right? Instead of getting up and saying, okay, instead of saying it's too expensive and I can't afford it, why don't we change that with how can I afford it? How can I afford this? Well, how can I make $1.50 a day? Well, I don't know. I could show you how to make, a couple $1,000s a month. $1.50 a day. I don't know how much that is. A couple $100 or something like that. It's less than $600 or something like that a month, right? So imagine if all you did was write one sale, Bridget, and you made $1,000 on that sale. That's $1,000. So not only do you eat better food, not only and most people, do they save $500 a month? In your experience, do most people save $500 bucks a month? Absolutely not. They do not. Okay? So you could eat right and you could save $500 a month, which most people don't do it. And all you got to do is write one sale a month. Imagine that. Like literally, it's too expensive. It ain't too expensive. It's just you're not willing to do some uncomfortable things or things that are going to change your life. You're not willing to make that change. And this is what we got to change. So I don't have the willpower. 27% of people don't think that they have enough willpower to make the lifestyle change. Willpower is not something we are born with. It's a skill that we learn. A muscle we can exercise, a tool that leads to results. Overcome this limiting belief to start moving power, right? So if I can't, I must. If I must, I can't. So it's just a play with words, right? It's just a different way of looking at something.
If you like this video and you want to watch another one, click right here.